Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another YouTube scrapbook process video for My Creative Scrapbook. Today I am using the February main kit, and this kit featured the Vicki Boutin Fernwood collection. This is just a gorgeous collection. I loved working with these papers and embellishments. So fun. So for the background on this layout, I decided to pull out one of Vicki Boutin's ready-to-use mixed media papers. So this one is from the Let's Wander mixed media paper pack. I'll put the link in the video description below so you can find it easily at scrapbook.com if you wish. The cut file I'm using is also an exclusive to My Creative Scrapbook. This is the Flutterby. Kit subscribers have access to these cut files. I love the butterflies in this one. There are a lot of butterflies in the Fernwood collection, and it just ties everything all together. Today I'm scrapping a photo of my nephew and his girlfriend. I love the greens in this photo. That's why I chose this photo to do. It really coordinates well with the pattern papers. And that's also why I pulled out one of the green mixed media ready-to-use papers from the Let's Wonder pad. I wanted to pull in all the greens. So playing around with some embellishments in the lower left corner, I pulled out some die-cut ephemera with the ferns and flowers, and tucking some stuff in the upper right corner of the photo as well, a note card and a paperclip butterfly. The kit included the chipboard stickers, so I'm adding some chipboard stickers in here too. The envelope with the flowers popping out of it. I felt like I needed to ground my photo, so I found a darker green pattern paper that I could tuck behind on the left side of the photo. It really coordinates with my nephew's shirt really well and helps make that color pop more out of the photo. I like how on the right side of that, the background paper, it really coordinates well with what my nephew's girlfriend is wearing, a really light green. I am skewing everything here to the left. This wreath, butterfly wreath, is not in the center of my paper. It is on the left side. I'm doing this so that I can create a visual triangle. So I have that cluster, big floral cluster on the lower left of my photo, and I have another smaller cluster with a note card and butterfly in the upper right of my photo, and I will eventually put a cluster of embellishments in the lower right of that background paper as well. This collection included some puffy phrase stickers, so I'm using the Stories of Us, and what I did there, I used my Thicker's ruler to lift the phrase off of the sticker sheet and transfer it to my layout. I have found that these puffy phrase stickers very sticky, and they sometimes stick to themselves. They're really bendy as well too, so I find that it's much easier to work with them if I can transfer the bottom of the word to my ruler and then move it around to see where I want it on my layout before I finally stick it down. So you stick the top down, hold it down with your hand as you pull the ruler away from the bottom. The Of Us portion of the title I thought didn't pop enough against the background. It was kind of busy with the butterfly cut file and the ferns from that die cut. So I decided to grab another die cut I remember seeing that was just a blank journal spot, and I put the Of Us on that and glued it down. So then I could add one of those cute toadstool mushrooms to the left of that. I was kind of playing around with the idea of putting a bunch of butterflies or these moss going up on the right side, but I really thought that that was too busy. So I left it there for a minute so I could contemplate it, and I eventually took them down. I just thought it was too much. So you can see I added this cluster of embellishments on the lower right of my background paper now with the capture the memories and the camera, and I'm adding some gold puffy stickers on my layout. The gold hearts work really well to bring out a little bit of the gold that's in this background paper as well. So there was a puffy butterfly sticker on this sheet, and since it was smaller I thought it would work well to put on here and it wouldn't be too overwhelming. I also added some gold foil dots on here from this puffy sticker sheet. And then there is another chipboard phrase sticker that I want on here. So I couldn't decide if I would put it underneath the of us or if I wanted to put it in the cluster in the lower right there, but I eventually decided I would put it under the title and the of us. There were some die cut ephemera phrase embellishments as well, little strips. And so I used one of those, the you and me, and put it on top of my envelope in my flower cluster. That's pretty much my layout. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out all the kits at My Creative Scrapbook. Again, this is the February main kit. They also had a limited edition kit and a creative kit and an album kit. So they really have something for every kind of scrapbooker. So it's bound to be something that you will fall in love with. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.